So we've done a genioplasty for this gentleman. You can see the change in the lower third of the face. We're going to show you this shape in the angle also. You can see this. He had a lot of loose skin. It's improved a lot. It's become tighter. It's become fuller. The jawline is not very defined now, but earlier there was no jawline. So it's huge improvement from where he was. And this part of his face, the lower third of the face, has become more prominent. You can see that's making him look much better, much younger. And this is the view again. Classical double chin. That's gone again. So this chin augmentation has helped us improve the proportion and also आपके पास है ना? All right. Fine.
अभी थोड़ा numbness है.
हाँ, numbness will be there for another 2-3 weeks. धीरे धीरे numbness चला जाएगा, फिर normal हो जाएगा आपको. ठीक है? We did a chin augmentation for this gentleman. You can see that the lower jawline was not defined. Also, a skin in the neck where you can see like a double chin. So that has been improved. I'm going to show you the other views. That's the front view. So you can see the improvement in the front view. Observe the thickness of the lower lip. There you see it's reduced. It's got a nice depression below the lip. We call it the mentolabial fold. You can see here it wasn't that prominent. So the benefits of getting better proportions, tighter skin, and also removing the double chin. Okay.